Hello everyone, it's Mario Armani, your friend and realtor from Armani Realty, and I'm here to give you a quick update of the Toronto real estate market during the third quarter of 2020, so let's get to it. How many more new listings were there? In 2020, there were 23,053 new listings compared to 14,307 new listings in 2019. That is a difference of 8,746 more new listings on the market than last year. As everyone knows, the first COVID-19 lockdown had a big effect on the real estate market, but as soon as restrictions loosened, sellers that were waiting to place their properties for sale finally did, therefore adding a tremendous number of new listings during the third quarter. How many sold properties in 2020 compared to 2019? In 2020, there were 10,483 sales compared to 8,629 sales in 2019. That is a difference of 1,854 more sales. So these stats are definitely quite interesting, as there were only 1,854 more sales to 8,746 more new listings on the market than last year. So even though prices substantially went up, the sales were not really on par to the number of new listings that did come up. This is one reason why taking a look at stats is very important, and as the public in general rarely do focus on the important factors like this, they often provide some insight as to what potentially can happen in the near future. What's the average price of a detached home in 2020? The average price of a detached home was $1,512,119. That is up 18.1% from 2019. The average days on the market in 2020 were 15 days compared to 22 days in 2019. So lending institutions brought interest rates to record lows, which really stimulated the market after restrictions loosened. Many buyers that were waiting finally made the move and took advantage of these lower rates. As the market started picking back up, bidding wars were in full swing, and since buyers did have greater purchasing power, they were able to go ahead, bid a little bit higher than usual, driving prices up to higher amounts. What's the average price of a condo? The average price of a condo was $680,963. That is up 8.39% from 2019. The average days on the market was 18 days in 2020 and 21 days in 2019. So condo prices once again did not rise by its usual record amounts. New listings are flooding the market, and demand can simply not keep up with supply. Year over year, condo prices are still up, but it's pretty alarming to see the vast number of units that are currently available for sale in the market today. Buyers right now are definitely picking up some great deals in comparison to prices of just a few months ago, so there's never really been a better time to buy a condo if you're looking for a condo. I strongly feel that the third quarter was the peak of 2020, and I really don't see prices continuing to drastically rise for much longer. Over the past few weeks, we've already seen some signs of slowing, and the recent government shutdown of Toronto businesses due to COVID-19's second wave will definitely have an impact if cases do continue to rise. Where I see a major potential problem is in the condo market, as there is a large increase in new listings, plus all the added new listings that will come up due to new condo project completions and investors having to sell as rents have come down substantially. We'll definitely have to wait and see what happens over the next few months, but I would still highly recommend and encourage that if you are looking to purchase a property, do so with caution, as there still is a lot of uncertainty on what will happen to the real estate market going further in the near future. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you need more information, I'd love to chat with you. Call or text me anytime at 647-448-4939. Feel free to also connect with me on Facebook or Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch all my latest videos. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.